Well, this is an exciting morning here at Fantasy of Flight. Behind me, I've got a container that recently arrived from New Zealand, and it is packed with goodies. Peter Jackson's a great friend of mine. He's a film director down there in New Zealand. Did some great films like King Kong, Lord of the Rings. Well, he and I both have a mutual fascination with World War I airplanes. I did a trade with Peter, a very rare World War I Sopwith 1.5 strutter that I had in my collection. I really didn't want to part with it, but he made me a deal I couldn't refuse, and basically what's in the container is what the deal was. They built a Albatros DVa, German World War I airplane with an original Mercedes engine, and he also did an extremely rare Sopwith Snipe for me with a Bentley. Currently, it's the only Bentley rotary that's powering an airplane on the planet right now. There's lots of other goodies in there to supplement some World War I projects that we're working on, and I'm excited. It's like Christmas. Let's go check it out. Come on, guys. All right. Oh my God, this thing is packed.
It's gonna be fun.
So we got the Snipe here. I can't even see the Albatros.
It's way in the back.
Huh. I don't know, we did the wings or this box comes out first.
Yeah, that's not too bad. Just have to get a couple of these boards out of here to get the crate free.
Alright, well at some point we're probably going to need the forklift, so maybe we'll get someone to go grab the forklift and
You guys want to start strapping some of the
yeah, okay.
straps.
And we've got some things to get these bolts up.
Yeah, Wayne's going to go get that, and we have the electric screwdriver to get the 2x4s on.
Good. Alright, let's go grab some tools. Alright, make this thing happen.
That's kind of fun.
I guess that's traveling down there. I need your knife.
Yeah, I'll just want Ricky.
Rick has a knife.
Hold that wedge, I can knock this back down.
Pull it out. Well, this thing here. Hang on, let me undo that over there.
Don't put too much weight on that.
Yeah, I see it.
Yeah, don't lean on it too much. It's loose, it's just jammed in there.
Screws are just about coming out of this thing, guys.
You got it there? I got it. I think you have to be real careful not to poke a hole with those horns.
Yeah, exactly. I mean, it could come off. Yeah, it might be easier just to take the wings out because we got the rack over here, and it's not like they're going to be laying on the, you know, they're not going to be in the rack forever. They're going on the airplane this week, so.
Boy, I don't know. I have to be real careful.
Yeah. Oh, this is pretty cool. You can tell they've been doing some flying, man. All that castor oil staying on the wing. Yeah, this is awesome. You can tell they've been flying. You can see all the castor oil stains with the, you know, with the smoke on it. So that's what makes it real. That's awesome. Right, that's what I'm saying. I'm just saying take the top off and we'll take one wing at a time. There we go. That's all right. Just walk it down.
I don't have it yet. John, where's your other batteries?
Watch this. Yeah. Here we go. Still going. All right. Now I think we can just do
thing at a time. All right. All right, just go slow because balls.
Yeah.
Yep. Trap. All right, I got it. I'm on it too. Whoa, it's heavier. Ready? All right.
Are you going to go in here?
It's not heavy.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Make sure it stays vertical.
Stay vertical and watch your step.
Yeah, and then watch the horn there. Just watch the
Right
horn,
away.
Wayne.
Watch your cross beam there, you see it?
Yeah.
Okay.
You got it?
The horn goes just inside. So just make sure you're on a straight part of the leading edge there, okay?
Okay, yep.
All right.
This is the side with the oil on it. Can't be too bad, but just so you know. Thing behind you.
Some good hit.
You on a rib there?
Not rib, they want a false rib. I want a rib now.
It's one of the others.
All right. Okay, just go slow.
Yeah, that's what I
All right, I can. I'll watch this side if you'll watch the car, Andy.
I'm up front here.
I'm just following.
Oh, well, they tied this thing. I think about shot.
Just watch that, Wayne.
Yep.
Pretty good. Back on this Christmas tree. It's thorn, you know. You just screw it to the power. I think that's all the little deals. Yes, up here comes the. You standing on this end or connected?
Something else is holding. These screws are all holding, but they're stripped and broken inside. I wonder if we can try it.
The screw?
Yeah. The other side on you, John.
Yeah. Awesome. This ought to have some cool stuff in it. So we've got a rigging diagram for the Snipe on there. It's Christmas!
Yeah, your wheels that are in there, there's two sets. There's a set for the triplane, a set for the VA, and new wheels for the pumps.
Oh, awesome.
So that's what all those wheels
Oh my God, unbelievable.
And I got a set of spare tires for each set of rims.
Cool. Well, at some point, when we get it in there, let's open the top of this thing and see what we got. Cool.
got it inside.
You all right walking with it?
Can we get that one?
Stuff that's into the floor is really hard to get out.
We'll just go slow. Wait a second, I gotta
Big piece.
All right, that should go down. Let's just go slow. Whoa.
We're gonna need a lot of those sawhorses for that top wing.
Well, then you want to bring some of that foam in?
You want to just use this?
Well, we have 8 total.
Okay. We got the lower wings too. So we got another wing right. Set it over here.
Now we gotta come back again.
If we get enough people, we could probably just slide it.
No, we can do it. Okay, now go forward again. I'll tell you what,
Yeah,
I
just
just
lift the whole
kicked
tail.
thing out.
Now we're thinking.
So let Paul go first.
Okay.
You ready?
Change the angle of that tail.
Yeah. All right, now Ricky.
Yes, sir.
All right.
Go down.
Tailbone. Thanks. All right. Well, whatever. Yeah, okay, well, actually it's easy. The weight's fine. God, this thing sits high. When I was in New Zealand, when they were building it, the seat was too high, and they said they were going to fix it for me, so I really want to see if it improved. That's better. Yeah, this sits lower. My shoulders are still kind of tight, but anyway. Now if I can drop it, I can fly without a cushion. Oh, that's better. All right. Cock the guns up. I'm ready to go. This thing just out of juice, I guess.
Yeah. It starts losing its. It takes a lot of torque to get him out of that floor wood. We got another chart or another thing. Can we get somebody on the other side?
We're Ken!
Anybody?
Inside Dave's over there. Ken has one.
So it doesn't flop
Get a
over.
battery charger. Yeah, that's what I'm worried about.
We got 2, 3.
Watch that data line coming out. Hey, Ricky, you start heading towards the hangar because we got the wind working against us.
All right.
You better
Doesn't
put it
seem like
flat
one.
as soon as you can. Yeah, let's just go behind the Suburban. Put it upside down. Going upside down. Yeah, well, yeah, that's what I'm thinking. Doesn't matter, just Rick, head around. Hey, I think we need somebody else on it. Andy, I'm gonna swap sides. Yeah. Just what we're gonna do is we're gonna hold it up, and then Ken's gonna put them on ribs, okay? Structural. Put it upside down. Going upside down. You ready?
Change the angle of that tail.
Yeah. All right, now Ricky.
Yes, sir.
All right.
You're down.
Tail dome. Thanks. All right. Well, whatever. Tail's always right. Yeah, okay, well, actually it's easy to oh, that's better. Cool. All right.
You see all these things that have the yeah, they're all
Plastic okay. 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 Right. Okay.
You see all these things that have the yeah, they're all
Some of it, though, I think is actually holding up the radiator too. Wait a second, Paul's standing on the tire there, Wayne. That's good, right there. Stop. We'll just kind of get something.
Flew their aircraft on some cars in Africa at about the same time. There was another Johnson, the Johnson Wax Company, and
I'll put the kid on the
Martin and also were no relationship to the Johnson Wax Company. But the Johnson Wax Company flew their twin engine S-38 into Brazil. It was called no